my god, I ripped my pants.
Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you.
Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm gonna be doing a how to look like every girl in 2018 video. Really fucking basic. This is not shade to anyone because when I asked you guys what I should do for it, you guys said just stay the same. I get it. I'm basic. This video is basically combining that all into one video and just making this the most basic, typical Urban Outfitters, Brandy Melville, Unif, ASOS video that you can find. This video is gonna be 2018 in a nutshell for girl style. I asked you guys on my Instagram, what does every girl in 2018 look like? And I actually won't have to go spend that much money because I am already a basic bitch and I already have most of this stuff. It's currently 10:50, but I'm gonna get my nails done because these are way too long, and you guys also said to get yellow nails, yellow coffin nails. We're gonna get this one right here. So I'm at a different nail salon right now. The other one didn't let me film. There's like barely any nice yellows. Like, what is this? So I'm gonna get this pastel one. Just got my nails done and now they match my hoodie. They make me look so tan, but I really like the shape of them. I'm actually in the biggest mall in Canada right now, and I'm gonna go meet up with my brother. I just met a subscriber in West said, what's your name? Oh yeah. What was the first video you watched? Your transformation. My trap? Oh, shit! Okay, we're filming another one. We need to be super typical, so we're gonna go to Urban Outfitters. First what we need to get is a Mario Badescu rose water spray because first, we need to get a Mario Badescu water spray. We're gonna get the typical rose water spray. I don't know what to buy. I don't go in here a lot. Okay, we're gonna get some cool socks. And also, bees are the new thing. I don't know.
Seals front flippers are very
We have sea lions in our mall. That's what I'm trying to be right now. What the f is this? Please never make this a trend, please. This looks like crumpled up tinfoil. Those are porta potties. 130 bucks. What the f? This is like another level of basic, guys. This is seriously, every girl has this. Alright, so now we need a hydro flask. How much are these bitches? $40 for a water bottle. We're gonna get a hydro flask to be very basic. You know what? Every girl has a chain belt. They have so many cashiers here at Simon's, but no workers. Like, I feel like I'm at Walmart. Don't fucking...
Good enough.
That'll be me if my YouTube fails. West Edmonton Mall, the biggest mall in Canada. We have a pirate ship. There actually used to be submarines down under there. There's like a wave pool. There's like a lot of water slides in there. I would go there, but I can't even swim. We're gonna go to Sephora because we need that dewy, Glossier, expensive ass minimal makeup. Ew. Fast forward like a week. Ripped out all my eyelash extensions, clearly, as you guys can tell. So I already filmed this whole getting ready, taking pictures part, but it turned out like shit and I just didn't want to post it. And I guess I do actually care about what I post on my channel, surprisingly. So we're gonna redo it. So as you saw, I went to Sephora, I bought a whole crap ton of stuff that I really did not need. This is the most I've ever spent on makeup. I usually spend my money if I do buy makeup on drugstore stuff, and I don't even have that many products. So I'll show you guys what I bought as we're going along. As a everyday YouTuber, basic girl, most of them just have like dewy natural makeup because they're already so naturally pretty, and we might need a little more makeup. First, I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my lips. My lips are so fucking crusty, man. We're gonna be using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer that I got from Sephora that I bought. I saw a lot of YouTubers use this, so I bought it. This smells so good. Now I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Blurring Stick, which I also got when I went to Sephora. I just feel like Milk Makeup is what a lot of YouTubers use. I was trying to find Glossier, but turns out they only sell on the website or whatever. I wouldn't know that because I don't buy Glossier. But I feel like this is just super unhygienic. I'm literally just sitting on a toilet right now with the seat up. Now we're gonna use this. This was so expensive. It was like $60. The Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer. Giorgio Armani seems like he'd be a fucking president. So apparently this just makes your skin like sparkly. What is that word called? Highlighty. I don't know. Next we have the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Illumination Cream. This is too dark for my face, but it matches the rest of my body. I'm just like weirdly tan, but my face isn't. I had a dream that I was at a dentist appointment and then they were like an hour late on me. I don't know why I told you that. Then I woke up. Hold the f up. Give me 1 second. I had a dream that I was at the dentist and they were an hour late, and I think I woke up and oh my god, I have a dental health appointment checkup thing that is reminding me that like I'm overdue for it. Holy shit, that is so weird. I don't know why I told you that. Oh my god, I look disgusting, but it finally matched my skin tone. I don't know if I like how I look tan. Right now we're gonna highlight with some concealer. Okay, so now we're gonna powder our face a little bit. I know that most dewy makeup looks probably don't powder their face, but you know, I'm literally an oil spill, so we kind of need to. Oh, I also watched a video that like cream contours, like how to get that dewy look because you don't want to powder your face too much or whatever. So we're gonna be using this Clinique Chubby Stick. And I remember I saw Olivia Jade use this or whatever. Ew, I look like a fucking tanned mess. Ew. Okay, I'm just checked in regular lighting. I don't look this ugly. I was kind of scared. This I also got at Sephora, but I got it from like my points. So we're gonna use it because rosy cheeks, dewiness. All right, now we're gonna do my eyebrows. Now with eyebrows, I feel like every girl has like natural looking eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do like a little bit of powder and a little bit of Gimme Brow gel just to spice it up because I don't have brows to gel up. It's a bit later now. My camera died, so I just kind of got ready while I let it charge. I did some waves in my hair or whatever. It looks like shit, I realize, and I feel like my makeup looks like shit also. Don't like how these eyelashes look, and I'm just not happy with this look, but you know, we just gotta continue. Also, just my jacket is from Simon's and my shirt is from Garage. My jeans are from Garage, and then my socks have bees on them. I feel like cool socks and also bees are very popular. I have my Fayal Raven Kanken. It's super dirty, so unbelievably dirty, but we have pins on them. You know, that's trendy. I started collecting pins before it was even, I guess, like an art hoe thing. I got these while I was in Europe, and a lot of them fell off. In here, I have my Mario Badescu facial spray. I was out of lip gloss, but honestly don't know where that went. Almost forgot. We need our Hydro Flask with water because stay hydrated, kids. Everyone, if they have a water bottle, it's probably a Hydro Flask, so I got one. I look literally like a burnt chicken nugget.
Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
I am beautiful.
Right now, I'm at KB&Co, and if you guys live in Edmonton, come here for an acai bowl. I literally come here like almost every day, and I put it on my Instagram story, and you guys are always like, where do you get these acai bowls? Here it is. All right, we got the acai bowl, and now we're gonna get pictures. I'm gonna show you guys the process of this. So freaking good. Can they please sponsor me? All right, we are headed. Ew, why do I look like a burnt chicken nugget for real though? Like, I'm not even saying that to be funny. Like, I actually look like burnt. We're heading into Starbucks to get an iced coffee for pictures because every single girl has iced coffee and they're obsessed with coffee now, but it's only ice. Boy, it's fucking cold out here and we need to get some pictures done. We're at this place with pyramid. Oh, it is so cold. Like, I don't think you guys, fuck me, it's cold. Okay, we were just outside for like maybe 5 minutes and we were dying. It is so fucking cold. Sorry I didn't vlog us taking pictures, but like it was too cold to do anything. Us taking pictures literally took us 1 minute because it was too cold to like. So now we're gonna head to IKEA, and also I need new bedding to finish my cleaning my room video. We're at IKEA right now and we're gonna get some more pictures because I need content. So I'm gonna set you guys up. Golden hour. It is prime time, everybody. Is this even a transformation video anymore? I asked you guys what you guys thought I was transforming into. A lot of you guys said Emma Chamberlain. I just asked a random group of guys to follow me on Instagram and they literally look at it and go, damn. Oh, so funny. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Okay, so we're shopping for bowls, and for some reason I'm really into these ugly ass steel bowls. I don't know why, but it's just so ugly that like I'm in love with them, you know? Like, you just gotta be different. I need new bedding for my room, plus I need to do it so I can finish my cleaning my room video since I have stained my white bedding, and I usually get white bedding. I'm gonna get some pale yellow ones now just to be trendy and I'd say different, but it's so typical. I just got home, bent over to pick up my packages, and I just ripped my pants. You can't even see anything, but you can literally just see the rip in my pants. I'm sorry if you can see my asshole, but like, I just ripped my pants. This has never happened to me before. Why? I love these jeans. I don't even have a fat ass, I have a flat ass, and I still rip my pants. What the fuck? Do you see that? Oh my god, I ripped my pants. Should I wear these to Coachella? I think it'd be very Coachella vibes.
1 week later.
Alright, so it's a week later now and I finally finished editing this video. For some reason I'm in Idaho right now. Go follow my Instagram to figure out why I'm in Idaho. But we got some Instagram pictures. I'm about to post one today. We got some IKEA shots. We have some shots from the outside. We have some shots from getting the acai bowls. And we also have shots that wasn't even included in the video that we filmed another day, which I just didn't include. But it's where I'm wearing plaid pants. So go follow follow my Instagram if you guys want to see how these pictures turned out. I don't know how this video turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the description box below, because I'm thinking of doing another transformation, but like an art hoe transformation, because I asked you guys what you guys wanted. Until next time, peace. Follow my social medias. Okay, subscribe. Oh yeah, let me know if you guys subscribe from this video, because I read every single one of my comments. Okay, bye.